Okay, so this is part 3 of the engine rebuild for the Agricat.
In this video we're going to go ahead and lap the valves in. I have the block painted, only one coat so far, but right now we're going to try to get the valves lapped in. So we're going to go ahead and start that. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and take the exhaust valve out first. So this one has little collars. You got to pry up on the bottom of the plate here by holding the valve down. And trying to work with some limited space here, that's all. It almost went. Okay, got one out. Hang on. I think we're both out. Okay, so we got the clips for the exhaust one out. We're gonna go and take the intake one out now. Yeah, turn that sideways. Yep, perfect. I think we're out.
That wasn't too bad.
Yeah, I see one. Where's the other one? You got one now. Where's the other one?
Back in here.
Yeah, I see it. Good.
Alright.
Alright, so we got the keepers out. Let's go ahead and take the valves out now. We don't need to take the springs out. The springs can stay in there. Take the next one out. Alright, got the valves out. We're going to keep the springs in there. Should be able to. And first we're going to clean them up a little bit, because there's some, if you can see that or not, but there's some carbon on there. We're going to go and clean it up, and then we're going to go ahead and start lapping. Alright, now we have the intake valve here. We're going to go ahead and put some lapping compound on the valve. Just use a very little bit, that's plenty. And use a screwdriver here. And you just want to take it, smear it around on the outside. Might need just a little bit more. Just put a little dab right in the middle. Yep. Perfect. It'll even out when we get in there.
I'm going to lap the intake valve in now.
Go ahead and do the exhaust now. That's what I do right there.
Yep.
Alright. See what happens.
You gonna do that one?
Yeah, I'll do this one. Try to stay out of your view there. There you go. Alright, it's on there now. Oh man.
I need to buy a better tool.
Yeah. Alright, so we didn't film this, but we also went ahead and made sure our gaps were correct on the valve stems down here. And the intake should be 8 thousandths and the exhaust should be 18 thousandths. So we went ahead and filed them down and ground them down to the correct setting. So now everything should work good with the valves.
We got the valves in now. Pretty much everything on the block itself, all the repair work, we got all that done. We got the new piston in, new rings, and we got the valves seated.
Yep, the blocks are ready to go. We got some other parts here that I painted and cleaned up. So this is probably it for this video. Next video, I don't know, we'll probably put some stuff back together, or maybe it, you know, actually trying to run. So that's about it for this video.
Yep, see you tubes.
See you later.